All right, so we back. Brand new customer. And it's gonna be a weekly mow. Hold on, we'll see. We got a lot of holes down there. So, no telling what might come up. This yard ain't been cut in a while. I see a lot of mole holes, guys. So, that's what we're looking at. Like I said, it's gonna become a weekly. Look at that tree. If I could price that tree, cut that up and move that off, that'd be a nice profitable job, wouldn't it? So it's gonna be a weekly. And everybody who hasn't been subscribed to the channel, man, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Boneyard Lawn Services. And we about to get started on this. Kind of wet this morning, but we gonna get it in. That's all right back there. Gonna be a lot of more trimming. See what we got going on here. So hold on, let's get over here. Let you guys see some of this. So it's gonna be some work, but we're gonna get it in. So welcome back to the channel. Man, hit the like, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and let's get to it.
Start smoking.
right, so got it knocked out finally. So there it goes. It's about to be a weekly, guys. So everything cleaned up around here, and we'll go around to the front. And guys, this is something I just had to get replaced right here, which was my air filter. So it was looking pretty crazy, pretty dusty. If you follow me on Instagram, man, you can check it out. But what I'm about to do is put an upgrade on this. So this air filter will be off the ground, and it'll be like the air filter right here on my Ferris that sits up. So I'm gonna end up doing an upgrade, swapping that out, getting that together, man. And when I do it, I'll do an install and show you guys what I got going on. But we're gonna get out of here, man. We're gonna get to the next yard. All right, guys, so that huge property that I ended up getting and did the massive cleanup on, these guys have been using me to do a lot of extra work for them now. So I'm about to start mowing the property. Along with mowing the property, basically I'm gonna be the groundsman, hopefully. So that's what I'm trying to do. And so for the next 6 months, I will be on this property. We've already discussed it and talked about it. And they've been having me haul off extra tree limbs out there. As you can see, I've been to the dump maybe a good 8 or 9 times with my trailer. So that's the reason why I want to upgrade and get me a dump trailer. I believe it's necessary coming up here in the future for me. So I'm going to try to plan and try to work myself into a position to where I can invest into a dump trailer. And with a dump trailer, I'm probably gonna have to get another truck, guys. So figure out something with that also too. It just all comes down to money management. And with a business, one thing with me having a CPA, I know that one thing he tells me is, hey man, reinvest as much as you can and grow as much as you can. He was like, that's what you do. You don't want to give away all your money. He's like, you want to take your money and give your money back into the business if you can. It's going to be the smart thing to do for you, and it's going to be a deduction also. So that's what I'm looking into the end of this year. And man, I've been working smart with this thing too. Like, I don't have a dump trailer, so what I'll do is I'll lay that tarp down, put that tarp down in there. And once I take off what I can on the top and get off what I can, all I have to do is get up under that tarp, and I can pull it straight off my trailer, as you'll see here in just a second. So work smarter, not harder. And until you can get that equipment that you want to get, man, you just got to do what you got to do with what you got. And I don't know if you guys, I ain't gonna say I'm not, which I am, I'll be lie about that, but I'm into the word a lot. And one thing the word always says is work with what you got. If you got just a small thing to work with in the beginning, work with that until you go get what you need and build yourself up. So it's all a process. And since the beginning of the season, it's been, I wouldn't say crazy, but I've been having a lot of expenses coming up here. And it's just part of it, guys. With trucks, equipment, all this stuff, you're gonna have to regular maintenance it. And if you can't service everything, if you're not a mechanic, and if you're not a small engine guy, you need to find you somebody who can help you out and keep you with a decent price, because things are gonna happen. There's no way around it, and you just have to keep it moving. It's part of it. So we'll get back into the rest of this video here and holler at you guys, and we'll show you what was going on with my air filter. Alright guys, I was about to go try to hit some yards, but it's raining, so gotta put the stuff up and feel a little bit. I feel like, what do you guys do when it gets like this, when it starts to rain? Do you go ahead and do what you gotta do, or do you put up the equipment or stay out here? How you do it? Let me know. I might need to get some dry wraps for my trimmers and hedges and stuff. Get some of those. But back to what I was talking about with this, guys. Hold on, I'll show you. This is my old filter right here. So let's see if I can get, okay, there it is. Now, if you guys, let me see if I can get it where you can see the light coming through the filter. Especially on it, you can't see it from right there, but I can. It's a light in there. You go to my Instagram, I got a good. There it is. Almost had it, but anyway, guys, this is the old filter right here. Looks pretty crazy. Can't see the hole, but that's the new one. Just got put on. So, but what I would need to do is, this more doesn't have it like that more, where the filter. Hold this back. Where it has the filter like this more right here. So, what do you guys think? Do all your mowers come like that, or do you need to upgrade yours also? Because I found the kit, and when I figure out exactly where I found it from, I'll put it in the description. But I'm gonna update this to that right there, so it isn't sucking up dirt like this. So you guys still can't see it, but it's a hole on the other side of here, or the other side of right there. You can't see it through the camera, but it's got it pretty messed up. So look like it's about to rain. Got a full schedule coming up this weekend, guys. Some pretty big yards. Been a little busy where I hadn't been able to get those videos, but we're gonna be back to the videos now, fellas. I'm getting done with all these cleanups and stuff. Seen all those trees I had earlier, so we'll get back to it. And I'm out of here, guys. I'll holler at you guys in the next one. You ain't been watching the videos, man, hit the like, subscribe, thumbs up, share the videos, whatever. Boneyard Lawn Service, I'm out of here. Holler at you.
Start smoking.